Okay, Vita, today we are going to start future perfect tense, which is the last tense of passive voice. Here are the general rules which are quite known to you. Active and passive voices, what general rules are applied. Here you can see the pronouns, how they are converted from subject to objective form. And now we are coming to future perfect tense. While converting future perfect tense from active to passive, we always use the helping verbs will have been and shall have been. And the form of the verb is always third form of verb. So now we are coming to the construction of the sentences. A simple sentence of future perfect tense, like hockey will have he will have played the hockey. वो हॉकी खेल चुका होगा उन्हें हॉकी खेले चली होगी will be converted into passive as object plus helping verb plus been plus verb plus by plus objective form, and it will be hockey will have been played by him. Hockey is object, will have helping verb plus been, played is verb, then by, and added by him at the object at the end. In negative passive voice, we will use object helping verb not and plus not plus have been plus verb plus by and plus objective form, and it will stand like hockey will not have been played by him. And I will advise all of you to always keep in mind that not will be placed between will and have. बहुत से स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो ये गलती कर जाते हैं, विल हैव नॉट बिन लिख देते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होगा, या शल हैव नॉट बिन लिख देते हैं, शल हैव को साथ कर देते हैं या विल हैव को साथ कर देते हैं. इट इज क्वाइट इनकरेक्ट. Interrogative passive voice, interrogative tenses. Interrogative sentences means the sentences and we want to know something in which we ask question. So they will be constructed as helping verb plus object plus have plus been plus verb plus by plus objective form. Will hockey have been played by him? Interrogative and negative will be constructed as helping verb plus object plus not plus have plus been plus verb plus by plus objective form. Now these are interrogative negative. जिसमें नेगेटिव बाही इंट्रागेटिव बाही हम सवाल भी पूछ रहे हैं और ना भी कर रहे हैं. विल हॉकी नॉट हैव बीन प्लेड बाय हिम? क्या हॉकी उससे नहीं खेली जा चुकी होगी? Now we are coming to double interrogative and negative sentence. As I have stated earlier, double interrogative sentences means the questions in which we ask with whom, where, when, why, or something like this. So it will be constructed as WH word plus helping verb plus object plus have plus been plus verb plus object, objective form, and question mark. Why will hockey not have been played by him? Or where will hockey not have been played by him? उसने कहा हॉकी उससे कहाँ नहीं खेली जा चुकी होगी, या हॉकी उससे क्यों खेली नहीं जा चुकी होगी.